Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Coingecko calculator, but first of all I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the Coingecko app, then you will have to go to the settings menu by clicking on the more icon in the bottom right corner. And if you tap on it, it's going to open up the settings. And at the tools section, you will see that there is the first option, the calculator. And if you tap on it, here you can exchange any kind of currencies from cryptocurrencies to USD and all the other fiat or cryptocurrencies available. So right now it's set to USD, 1 USD, and here on the list you can see all the exchanges, how much could I buy with 1 USD from all these currencies. USDC obviously 1, I could buy 0.00001556 Bitcoin and so on and so on. But you can type here any amount that you wish. I can type in, let's type in $1 million. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So with $1 million, you can buy 15 Bitcoins, 214 Ethereums, 1,500 Binance coins, and so on and so on. This is how you can exchange from fiat currency to a crypto. But you can tap on the top currency here on the USD, and you can also choose other currencies, fiat or crypto, as I told you. Now let's try to exchange from a crypto. Let's choose Bitcoin, and here you can see for 1 Bitcoin you can get, guess what, 1 Bitcoin, or 13 Ethereums, 99 Binance coins, 63,000 USDTs, Solana, and here if you scroll further down you can see all the available cryptos here, and you can see your exchange rates. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.